Hi, this is Iphie of ShareVirtuosity.com. You're welcome to the Uncommon Woman Show, the place to be to birth and grow into the woman of your dreams, that woman God had in mind when He created you. Today's topic is quite interesting. The question is, how do I make my husband love me and miss me? Interesting, right? We're going to be looking at the Songs of Solomon, the book of love and romance, and we're going to be learning a couple of things. I'll be sharing 7 tips on how to make your husband love you and miss you. Tip number 1, sing his praises. And this comes from chapter 1 of Songs of Solomon. You need to sing your husband's praises. You need to have words that extol his virtues. You need to say this audibly in his presence, well, technically behind his back, but you always have to sing the praises of your husband. You might think your husband doesn't deserve any praise, but there's certainly good things about him. Those good things, start to extol those virtues, start to sing about those things. That's one sure way of making him love you and miss you. Number 2, you need to look his dreams. And this comes from chapter 4. You need to read from verses 1 to 8. You would see there that the male character in Songs of Solomon was actually describing his love. He talks about her eyes, he talks about her teeth, he talks about her skin, he talks about her breasts. You need to look the look. There is a look your husband has in his head about the woman that drives. He needs to have an atmosphere of relaxation when he's with you. So your love needs to be one that relaxes him. Being with you relaxes him like no other. Point number 4, be a garden of precious fruits. The male character in Songs of Solomon also describes his love as a garden that has all kinds of fruits, pomegranates, all interesting fruits. What does that mean for you today? Your husband, when he approaches you for love making or for sex, never turn him down sexually. Turning your husband down, turning a man down is seen as rejection. To be a strong and a dependable companion for your husband. What are his interests? Do you share things together? Do you share interests together? What do you do together? Who does he share his dreams with? Who does he share his aspirations with? When he's happy, who does he call? When he's sad, who does he call? You need to grow yourself to become the indispensable companion for your husband. And lastly, point number 7, to make your husband love you and miss you, is being an indispensable helper. Now, the word helper has pretty much been bastardized, especially in our African culture, where you think helper is all about, keeping the house and, washing his clothes and making the food and having it ready. Now, these things, of course, are necessary and are important, but there's just one tiny part of being a helper. A helper is someone that helps another person achieve his or her goal faster, with better quality, or a combination of both. So it helps, as you as a woman will help your husband achieve his goals faster and with better quality, or you help him achieve it faster, or you help him achieve it with better quality. What are the key things that are important to your husband today? What's that big dream that he's pursuing? What is his priority, the biggest priority right now on his plate? And how are you helping him to achieve these dreams? Helping him doesn't mean keeping the children aside and so they don't make noise, but how are you positively contributing, actually tangibly contributing to that project? Are you helping him with your ideas? Are you helping him with your time? Are you helping him with your network, with your skills? One key way to make your husband love you and miss you is to become an indispensable helper. So now you know all this, what are you going to do differently? At sharevirtuosity.com, we have a number of resources that would help you as well in your bid to become a 21st century virtuous woman, one whose husband has, totally trusted in her. You can go up to the site and sign up for our free updates, our mailing list, and you will get a nice free gift. Remember, there's an assignment with your name on it. There's a world out there just waiting for your touch, and there's a great God that's just also waiting to back you up. So get your game face on and arise and shine brightly. If you liked this video, please do not hesitate to click the like button, share with your friends and family, and of course, click on the bell button to subscribe to this channel to get regular updates for when we post out new videos. Thank you.